Want to know how to make greener choices for the planet? Reducing how much we consume is the top priority. But what more could we do? Using a reusable product multiple times is more eco-friendly than using a new single-use product every day. The UN Environment Programme has recently confirmed that single-use products, regardless of their material, are the most problematic for the planet. So, the biggest step we can make as consumers is to choose to reuse. Why are reusable products better for the environment? Everything that we use requires materials and resources to make. And recycling or disposing of things places a big burden on the planet too. So, each time we reuse a product, its impact on the environment is divided, again and again. What steps can be taken to promote reusability? Reusability must first be built into the product design stage. Cleverly designed products are lightweight, so that they use less materials, and are durable, so that they can be reused many times over. As consumers, we can easily swap single-use products for reusables. How about carrying reusable coffee cups, shopping bags, drinks bottles and cutlery for eating on the go? Even just one swap could considerably reduce your environmental footprint. How we wash our reusable products matters. Up to 40% of their impact depends on washing in an eco-friendly way. Whether you are a producer, a consumer, or a policymaker, our choices matter. There is no single solution to single-use plastic pollution. Every country is different. Geographical context is key, and social norms affect consumer behavior. For a healthier planet, make the greener choice. Consume less and opt for reusables.